So kuyenzeka ukuthi uthenge imoto from i-dealership ebayibuyisele ama-kilometer emuva na. Igama u-Edward Mahane, asibheke. Okay, so njengoba sishilo sobheka indaba yama-kilometers namhlanje, if ungakhumbula kahle i-Carte Blanche ke yazama ukuthi isibonise ukuthi akhona ama-dealership ababuyisela ama-kilometers emuva. Obviously into abayenzayo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bakuthengisele imoto for i-price engaphezulu kwe-price emele uyibhadale, because mawubheka ama-kilos aphansi and then wena uzocabanga ukuthi uthola imoto eseseyintsha. So into eyenzekayo ukuthi manje sekuyehluka ngoba kudala bekumsebenzi kakhulu ukuthi ama-kilos abuyisele emuva, bekufuneka kusetshenziswa abo screwdriver, i-drill ukuthi ukureverse ama-kilo. Kodwa seyilula manje ngoba sekune technology. Into abayenzayo nje ukuthi bayakwazi ukuthi ba-download i-software bayithengayo for under $300, ikhona all over the internet, and then bakwazi ukureverse ama-kilos very easy. Abanye batholwa babhizi bayenza lento phezulu ku-floor kuyimoto kuma-showroom wabo. So into emele siyibheke ke sofundisa namhlanje ukuthi ungachecka kanjani ukuthi ama-kilos wemoto wakho azange wareverse. Into yokuqala emele uyenze ukuthi ucele i-service book. So yabona ku-service book uzokwazi ukuthi ubone wonke ama-services imoto eke yawahamba, yabona. So lama services wonke mangathi uyabheka anegama le dealership ane contact number. So if le moto ike yaservice mhlambe asithi 6 services and asithi 2 yalama service lawa yenze endaweni e1, the other 3 enye indawo, and then kule 2 enye futhi enye indawo. Into ongayenza ukuthi ke ukuthi mele ucontact wonke lama service center, mostly kuzoba ama dealership, yabo uzoba contact bonke uverify ukuthi okay i-service eso iya correspond ne-service ecosystem yenu na. Uzochecka futhi ukuthi by the time bayiserviswa according to ibook oyibhekile ithi mhlambi imoto bayiserviswa ku-15 or 45,000 kilos, ama-records we-dealer oyifonele amele amatch nalawa wabona kule ncwadi ofunda kuyo. So imoto ziyahluka kakhulu imoto zamanje azisezi nge-service book, kodwa yonke into iya-recordwa digitally. So ma ungathola nje i-VIN yemoto oyithengayo ungakwazi ukuthi urequeste i-service history from i-manufacturer, bazokwazi ukuthi bakunikeze i-service history ephelele ukuthi imoto yaserviswa nini kufika kuphi. So asithi for example ma ungabheka uthi uthenga mhlambi i-Toyota Hilux for example eyaka 2010 ne, kaningi kulesikhathi esikuso manje leyo moto mhlambi ngaba na between 140 and 200,000 kilos. So asithi yakho uyithenga ina 140,000 kilos, kodwa mawuthi uyabheka imoto iservisiwe from 2010 mayithengwa until 2015, and then iservice oyibonayo yokugcina yaka 2015 yaka 120. Mawuthi uyabheka imoto between 2015 namanje until 2021 ama-kilos ewahambile is only about 30,000 kilos. Mara mawubheka i-history yayo imoto before behamba more than ama-kilos awu-30 ngonyaka oyi-1, isikhathi osibheka manje 5 years la ukuthi khona i-dealership ayikwazi ukuthi ngakupha i-service history, abanampendulo mawubuza ukuthi kwenzekani, kodwa for 5 years imoto ihambe only 30,000 kilos. Lapho kula kumele usole khona into engahambi kahle ke lapho. Alright, ngisazophinde ngishute futhi kusasa ama-video akhuluma nge-motor industry inside and out, and then makube lokhu kuyakusiza ungashare nabangani bakho, and then ungasubscribe kule button below uringe nebell every time mangishuta, so lokho sikuthumela ama-video. Ngibonge.